Here's a great deal on a 2003 Toyota Highlander. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.